Hey everyone! Today's video is going to be all about simple hand lettering that anyone can do at home. Now you can do hand lettering with any kind of material. You don't need any fancy brush pens or calligraphy pens. In fact, what I'm going to use here are some acrylic paint pens. The brand I'm using here is called Super Golden. These are super golden markers and they're very metallic, and as you can see, these are brand new. And so to get my paint pen markers going, I have to shake them up first and then compress the tip on a piece of scratch paper until I get the paint flowing. Now, what am I going to do with these markers? I am going to use them to hand letter my daughter's friends' names onto some gift bags so that we can create party favors for her upcoming birthday party. Now, how do I do hand lettering? Very simply, I begin by writing the name in cursive. In fact, you don't even have to know how to write with cursive to do hand lettering. The ultimate trick for the style that I'm working with right here is to thicken up the line on the downstroke only and to leave the line thin on the upstroke. So you can see with the way that I wrote the name Colby, I put an arrow showing where my downstrokes are. I'm going to go back in with the same writing utensil I used, so in this case a black permanent marker, and I am going to just add some thickness to that downstroke line. I'm then filling it in. So I draw an extra line and then I fill it in on the downstroke only. Again, you don't have to know how to write in cursive or a certain style of cursive to do this. And if you struggle, you can go onto the internet and look and find plenty of font generators where you can type in a name or a word and see an example of how that name or word could be written in different fonts. So again, watch here. I'm first writing the name just with a line, and then I'm going back in and I'm thickening up the downstroke. The downstroke again being when my writing utensil is moving from the top to the bottom towards myself as I am writing. And then I thicken in that area. I will place a link to the metallic paint pens that I'm using in the description of this video, but also just know you can use any kind of material to create beautiful hand-lettered names and words on any material that you choose. This just happens to be what is most practical for me today, and I think my daughter's guests are going to love their personalized gift bags.